Dear children, welcome to the video class. Grade 10 Science Chapter 5 Periodic Classification of Elements. Dear children, welcome to the next video class. In the first class, we have learned about dominant traits. Okay, now we are going to see the limitation. Okay, so Daubeney, he identified only three triads. Okay, he identified only three triads, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, only three triads are identified. So this was a failure. There are more than 118 elements. At the time there were more than 50 elements, but he classified only 9 elements into triads, so it went on to a failure. Okay, next one, Newland came. Okay, next one, Newland came. He is the English scientist. Okay, he belonged to England, so he is the English scientist. Okay, he also arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. Okay, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. Okay, then what he did means he started with hydrogen and he ended with thorium. Okay, he started with hydrogen and ended with thorium as the 56th element. At that time, only 56 elements were discovered. Now, more than 118 elements are discovered, but at the time of Newland, only 56 elements were discovered. What he did, he arranged the elements in the order of their increasing atomic mass. That is, atomic mass 1 will come first, then 2, 3, 4. Like that, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass. Okay, so while arranging them, so he seen one peculiar property. Okay, so every eighth element resembles the first element. That is the atomic number of that is the first element. That is the element with atomic mass 1 resembles the element with atomic mass 8. That is the element with atomic mass 2 resembles the element with atomic mass 9. Okay, so this is called as law of octaves. Okay, what this is called? Law of octaves. Take your pencil and note it down. Okay, this is called the law of octaves. Okay, so what he did, he arranged the elements in the order of their atomic masses. Then what he found, the first element resembles the eighth element. Okay, so this is called the law of octaves. Okay, so the example is given. Okay, that is lithium. If lithium is taken as the first element, means sodium is the eighth element that resembles that property. Okay, see, that is given in the table. Then come to the table. Come to the table. So see. Okay, hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are first elements in the first row or 7 elements in the first row. In the second row, there are 7 elements like that. Okay, so hydrogen resembles chlorine. Fluorine, that is H resembles F. Okay, see. H resembles F and F resembles chlorine and it resembles cobalt and nickel. That is, lithium resembles sodium, that resembles potassium, that resembles copper and rubidium. So like that, beryllium resembles magnesium. Okay, so it was compared with the music notes. Okay, well, in the Hindi system we have 7 music notes: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. After ni, which will come? Sa. Then after sa, re will come. Okay, like that, what happens? That resembles. Okay, the first element resembles the eighth element. Like that, the first note resembles the eighth note. If the first note is sa, means the eighth note is also sa, isn't it? So like that, the first element resembles the eighth element. Okay, so this was given by Newland. Okay, this was given by Newland. Still there is some limitations. Okay, limitations means what do we say? Some disadvantages. Still it does not fit correctly. Okay, see, what is the first one? See. Okay, so this was applicable only to calcium. Up to calcium only this is applicable. Okay, see calcium. So up to calcium only this is applicable. Where is calcium? See here there is calcium, isn't it? So up to calcium only this is applicable. After calcium this is not at all applicable. So what does it mean? It is applicable only to elements with less atomic mass only. If the atomic mass is more means this is not at all applicable. Okay. Then see. So what Newland assumed? He assumed that is only 56 elements. He started with hydrogen and he ended with thorium. So at that time only 56 elements was there. So he assumed that only 56 elements are occurring. But still now they are going on discovering and discovering. Okay, so that is one failure. Okay, then see some adjustments he did. Okay, see some adjustment he did. Come to the Doberanist, come to the Newland octaves. Okay, see. So what he did? He adjusted two elements in the same slot. See, he have put the cobalt and nickel. Okay, he have put cobalt and nickel in the same slot. So that is placed in the columns such as fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Okay. See, cobalt and nickel is put in the same slot. So that is put together with fluorine, chlorine and bromine. So we already know this cobalt and nickel are metals, but this fluorine, chlorine and all non-metals. Okay. So he put cobalt and nickel along with this fluorine, chlorine and bromine. So this is not at all good. So this is a failure. Okay, this is a failure because this fluorine, chlorine and bromine will be having the same properties. They will be behaving as non-metals. But this cobalt and nickel will be behaving as metals. So this is a failure. Okay, then one more thing. See where the iron is. What is the symbol of iron? Fe. Okay, see. So iron, where he put iron? He put iron here. Okay, it is along with sulfur and selenium. Okay, iron is having similar properties as cobalt and nickel. So iron, cobalt and nickel has to be in the same column, but it was not. So it is also a major drawback. Okay, so what is the drawbacks? It was applicable only up to calcium. After calcium it was not applicable and he assumed only 56 elements are there. But there are more than 118 elements. Then what he did? He put cobalt and nickel along with fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Okay, so the properties are completely different. Okay, then what he has to do? He has to put iron, cobalt and nickel in the same column, but he separated. Okay, so that and all the drawbacks, that and all are the drawbacks of his law. Okay, have you understood, children? Have you all understood? Okay, then okay, so see the main thing is, okay, the Newland law of octaves worked with lighter elements only. It worked only up to calcium. After calcium it does not work. Okay, have you all understood Newland law of octaves? Okay, children. Children, your activity for this class is to write the answers for the questions in page number 81. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.